Every day, millions of people keep the Indian economy moving. Delivery riders navigating traffic, domestic helpers managing households, and wage earners building our cities. It is a reality shared by traditional agricultural laborers too. For this vast, unorganized sector, income is directly tied to daily physical output. If you stop moving, the pay stops flowing. Unlike formal corporate jobs, there is no built-in provident fund here, no HR department calculating a retirement package. There is no structured plan for what happens when a worker simply gets too old to keep up the pace. There is an inevitable biological limit to unorganized labor. A day comes when the physical body breaks down, making the grind impossible to maintain, which leaves us with a difficult problem to solve. How do you build an unbreakable financial safety net for a massive demographic whose daily income has no safety net at all? This is a system defined by constant volatility. To prevent widespread poverty among aging workers, you have to introduce a highly structured, engineered intervention. That intervention is the Atal Pension Yojana, or APY. It is a government-backed retirement vehicle administered by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, designed specifically for these unorganized sector workers. To make the mathematics of the pension work, the system requires a specific accumulation phase, so there is a strict eligibility window to join. Workers must enroll between the ages of 18 and 40. Getting into the system requires two basic documents to establish identity and banking capability: an Aadhaar card and an active savings bank account. Crucially, the scheme is built to integrate directly with Jan Dhan accounts. This ensures that even individuals who were historically kept entirely outside the formal banking system can participate. By linking a biological identity through Aadhaar to formal banking through Jan Dhan, the APY creates a secure, verifiable entry point into the formal economy. This diagram illustrates the structure of the APY payout. When a worker reaches age 60, they receive a guaranteed minimum monthly pension. When joining, they select their target tier: 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, or 5,000 rupees a month. To build that payout, the scheme relies on an auto-debit system, pulling required contributions directly from the linked bank account. This automation solves a major behavioral hurdle. It removes the burden of remembering to save manually, insulating the worker's retirement fund from simple human error or missed payments. The official registration process for this account is completely free. There are no opening charges or processing fees. Only the chosen contribution amount is ever deducted. Warning tone. Because this is a financial product, you have to watch out for unofficial websites asking for security deposits or processing fees. You should only register directly through a recognized bank branch, portal, or official app. The true strength of the APY is its automation. It replaces the chaos of manual, intermittent saving with a rigid, reliable financial engine. At age 60, the accumulation phase ends and the primary guarantee kicks in. Exhausting physical labor is permanently replaced by a steady, guaranteed monthly pension. The scheme also extends its protection beyond the individual subscriber, adding a second layer to the safety net, the spouse guarantee. If the original subscriber passes away, the exact same monthly pension amount automatically transfers to their surviving spouse, providing them with a steady income for the rest of their life. Finally, there is a third layer to this protection. After both the subscriber and the spouse have passed away, the entire accumulated pension corpus is not kept by the state. It is returned in a lump sum to their designated nominee. Starting this process takes just a few steps. Approach the bank or post office where you hold a savings account, or log into their online portal and fill out the registration form. The Atal Pension Yojana operates as a targeted mechanism built for a specific reality. By automating savings and locking in a 3-tiered payout structure, it takes a lifetime of unpredictable labor and converts it into guaranteed generational dignity.